Have you ever looked at a crochet tool and thought, what is that? Well, today I'm going to be sharing 5 crochet tools you didn't know you needed. This video is sponsored by Crochet Society. Crochet Society is a bi-monthly box curated by me. This box offers the opportunity to learn new skills, try out new yarns and patterns, and discover new designers. I'll leave a link in the description box so you can go and check out the subscriptions. But if you'd like to try out one first, then take advantage of this discount code, which gives 50% off some of the back boxes available. But hurry, this is a limited time discount, and once any of the boxes are gone, they are gone. I'll leave a link in the description box so that you can go and check that out. So first up is this bizarre looking thing. This is actually a tassel maker. So say goodbye to cutting out cardboard squares to make your tassels, and hello to this new tool. It's really quick and easy to use and makes the perfect tassels. This next thing isn't necessarily a tool, but it's great to keep in your craft corner. I don't know about you, but I used to lose my hooks all the time, and no more with this hook holder. This hook stand keeps all of my hooks in one place, and I have to admit I have a lot of hooks, so I have multiple of these. Hands up if you've ever lost track of what row you are on. Yep, me too. This tool will be your new crochet buddy. This is a stitch counter. You can either keep count of your stitches or your rows, but either way it's so handy. Simply have it next to you while you're working, or pin it to your top or a toolkit and stay track of your rows. Trust me, it's a game changer. Now let's talk about darning needles and stitch markers. Those things just seem to have a mind of their own, don't they? Where did they disappear to? So this thing is a magnetic watch, which helps to keep them in one place and easy to access. Simply snap it onto your arm and you have your darning needle and your stitch markers within easy access. Another game changer in my opinion, because sitting on those lost darning needles, ouch, no fun. Sick of yarn bath? Yes, it's so frustrating. But with these things, you can keep your yarn nice and tidy. These yarn tidies are brilliant at storing your half-used yarn balls and stopping them from untangling. Plus, these ones have an added bonus of a removable stitch marker. Perfect. So let me know what you think to these and if you have tried them out before. And if you want to know what the absolute basics are for your crochet toolkit, then check out this video right here.